Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something fun. It's going to be a beginning of a series. So this is going to be installing Kodi. Now what is Kodi? Kodi is simply used to create a media server. So basically I'm going to be creating my own Netflix. Not necessarily Netflix, but you're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to be able to connect all my TVs, my other laptops and my phones to my system as a media server and watch movies or play music or view my pictures from that media server. So that's basically what it's going to do. Now you've seen the run through of how to just do this. In this video I'm just going to show you how it looks like and how to install it. You've basically seen the process. It's just going. It's going to finish quite soon. But before I go on, if you're new to the channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. I make tech videos here and I simply tinker with different softwares and OS and phones, laptops, whatever it is, and I just work things out. That's how I am. So this is Kodi. I'm going to do it all by myself. I'm going to do it up to the fact that I'm going to be able to be in school, my system will be at home, and I'll still be able to watch it over the internet. So yeah, you can see my Kodi is already installed. Yeah, so this one is just to show you how to install it. Any other thing is going to be in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for the next video on how to get this done, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.